Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Ford Expedition and I will show you the blower motor fuses and relay location. Now this video will apply only to Ford Expeditions made from 2009 to 2010 because they kept changing the location of these relays and fuses for some reason. So like I said, 2009 and 2010. So both the fuses and the relay will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. Now to lift this cover you will have two black tabs, one on the right side and one here on the left. Once you lift it up on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 32, which is located right here, and it's a 40 amp fuse responsible for power to the blower motor relay. Second fuse to check, it's a fuse number 34, which is a 30 amp fuse just next to it, responsible for power to auxiliary blower motor. Then you have fuse number 57, which is at the bottom right corner, which is a 10 amp fuse responsible for power to the blower motor RS feed. And the last thing to test, it's a blower motor relay, which is the largest relay on the right side. And that's pretty much everything. Hopefully one of these will be burnt, and just by replacing it, that will fix your problem. If not, then you will have to test the blower motor itself, wiring, connections, and so on. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.